Today we're going to speed sew two tops. It's my favorite top, my favorite little t-shirt. It's the raglan tee. I'll put a link up for you where I showed how I draft it and sew it up. It's a quick little video. It's an old little video. I will look a little different. The quality won't be the same, but the information is just as good. I found my pattern. This is what it looks like when I make my own pattern. I'll take a picture of it, print it out so I can find it again, put it in a zippy bag. Here's my pattern that I've drafted off. This is the one. This is it right here. I wear it all the time. I love it. And it's starting to do the thing when you have a favorite shirt that you wear over and over again, especially a knit. It's starting to get a little wider and a little shorter. And I don't know why knits do that, but they do. I just love this top. It fits great, it wears great, it still looks really cute, and I need more. I ran to get dressed the other day and I thought I just want to throw on a cute little top and a pair of jeans and go run errands, and you know, every top I pulled out had like a little hole in the belly, or it was starting to look a little worn, or anyway, I was down to just a couple cute tops and I thought, I sew all the time, why don't I have more t-shirts? So we're gonna make two today. Let me show you what we're making them out of. If you watched my little JoAnn's vlog where I went and found the two JoAnn stores in the new area where I live, you will have seen these fabrics. I'm going to do this big black and white with a little tiny polka dot. So this will be the shirt and the sleeve. And then the same with this one. I'm going to do the floral knit for the shirt, and then this wonderful soft sort of sagey green for the sleeve. And I think for both of them, I did buy some ribbing, which is great for the crew neck, which would certainly work. But I think I'm going to do whatever the sleeve is for the neckline. I've already made myself a pattern piece for that. I just think it looks more cohesive to do it that way. So I'm gonna cut out two shirts and then head over to the sewing machine. I'm not going to do a lot of explaining because I have a video on doing that. What I'm going to do is time lapse it and just let you see how long it took me to cut out and sew two shirts. So here we go. Let me say I'm not going to rush through this, so this will be actual time with me piddling, and don't expect this to be like, I made this shirt in 20 minutes, even though it's not going to take a long time, because I take my time, less mistakes, and happier in the end. Cutting is done. I'm going to take a minute to put my pattern pieces away. We'll head over to the sewing machine. So now, I did not buy green thread, and I'm regretting it. So hopefully one of these will be close enough to do a little hem on the sleeve. That's the only place I need it. I've got black for hemming that part. We're just going to start putting it together. I am so warm. Whew. Let me tidy up a little bit here. Shirt 1 is ready for the sewing machine. I'm going to go on to shirt 2. Alright, not sure when my camera shut off. There we go. But it did. I finished both shirts. I'm going to go ahead and, at the serger that is, and now I'm going to come over here and hem. I've got white thread already on there, so I'm going to hem the sleeves on this one and the bottom on this one, and then switch thread colors to finish out. And I will show you our finished garments. Okay, so I did not time myself really carefully. I know I started after 3 o'clock and I finished by 4:20. That's for cutting, sewing the whole thing. So I'm gonna just time, you saw just a short time lapse of all of that, but that was for 2 tops. So not bad. If I wanted to like really bust it out, and I probably could have done it in about an hour total, especially if I wasn't filming and messing with all of that. It actually goes a lot faster to sew. This is a quick little top. I've made it quite a few times, and you know how it is. The more times you sew something, the faster it gets. The first time is always the slowest as a rule, With this particular pattern, it's the putting on the collar and the hems that take the longest. The putting together of the top is very, very fast, which is one of the reasons I like it, but I also just think it's cute. And I like that I can combine fabrics. I just think gives a little more options for creativity in a very casual, everyday little garment.